Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Android version and whether the phone uses a heavy skin, because behavior differs across manufacturers. Once done, back up key settings and grant any permissions you'll need. This avoids surprises. Make sure you can change Wi-Fi or VPN settings, since those are central to blocking ads. If you plan on advanced host edits, enable developer options, but only if comfortable. It unlocks tools that make deeper changes safe and reversible. Now you perform the core steps. Install a reputable ad blocker from Play Store or a local VPN ad filter, because it intercepts requests without root. Next, disable ad personalization in Google account, ad settings, and revoke unnecessary app permissions that allow overlays. Then audit apps that serve persistent ads, uninstall or restrict them, and clear their cache to stop stored ad data. Make sure to reboot after major changes, so filters. You finish by testing multiple browsers and apps so you can confirm ads are gone. This verifies both network and app-level measures. If ads persist, refine filter lists or consider editing the host's file, only with a backup, because that is more intrusive. Remember, if something breaks, disable one modification at a time to identify the problem, instead of reversing everything. This isolates the issue quickly. Keep your ad blocker updated and review permissions periodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.